All right, let's do a quick recap video for the Friday. It was a beautiful day for me. I wasn't planning to trade as it's Friday, and usually on the Friday the price isn't that much clear, and we didn't have any 4 hour fair value gap, so I was hoping we create something on Friday, and then probably next week we'll get something. So first of all, we had this fair value gap, which is a little bit downside as I'm looking for bullish price action. My first intention was to create this, take out this hole, tap into this for 1 hour fair value gap, and start moving to the upside. But there was one thing to see how price started acting from this fair value gap. So there is a chance this could be the tap in and we just keep going lower. So, but we are also in this fair value gap range where we could potentially get a pullback to the upside if we create like this to CR and then keep moving higher, something like that. So I was I was into this fair value gap because we are still on market just open at 10:30, so I was looking for something the next 1 hour candle, how we react from this low, because this candle is closed pretty bearish. So there's two things can happen. What I was expecting, either the next candle just gonna keep drop, or the next candle will just take out this low and just boom, it's gonna be keep going higher. So that's the two thing I was looking for. I marked down the low. I went to the 15 minutes time frame to see the candle, and also my overall as I was saying, like my overall direction is to go buyer. So I wanted to see how, if this 1 hour candle started rejecting, then I'll probably will get into the buy setup. But what happened here is why I rated this trade as a B plus trade, not an A plus, because when we started reacting, I straight went to the lower time frame, 3 minutes, 3 or 2 minutes, I guess, because the reaction was lovely. So yeah, so we have a inverse fair value gap right over here, which I marked down. And when we got this reaction, I went in. That's my entry right from here. Stop loss was below this low. I wish I holded this trade for longer, because what I did was, this was my break-even point, I guess, or this one. So no, I think this one. This is the break-even. Break-even. And then I was looking to get that 1 hour high, because there's a potential chance like we could get a rejection from there. So what price started doing is we took out the high, and then I think we dropped again. Yeah, so we dropped again and took out the break even, because my when we went that much, I put my break even up here. We hit the break even again, so I marked down the 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes or 1 minute. Yeah, I think, yeah. So I marked on this 1 minute inverse fair value gap again to see how the price reacts. So this one is gone because I already closed it. And so after the price created another low, took out this low, I started like looking into buy, and there wasn't any inverse fair value gap here to enter. The next one I got into right here. Inverse fair value gap, and I entered around here. The stop loss was a little bit bigger, but I don't mind if the price goes into our direction. And as it was pretty close to take out this high, I was looking to get at least 1 to 2, something like this. So, and price just started moving higher and higher, and I closed it right on the previous daily high, which is here. So 1.25 RR. But the thing is, as I already lost one and I need to maintain the consistency rule, so I had to close the trade with $1,500, and I have $300 more left to pass this challenge. So I really hope within next week I can do it, inshallah. So we'll see how the price action goes for the next week, because I feel like this week was really good for me. Because let me show you guys my account, Lucid Trading account. As you can see the curve, I'm almost there. And if you see, for this month I started from Tuesday. Monday I got the account. I wasn't available on the Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday it was -$1, and this is for the overall trade was like 1,500, because I had a losing trade from before the New York Open. So I don't know if I can see it here. I don't think I can see it here. So I took the first trade and then it went to loss, and then I took it again. So yeah, it's going pretty good for now. I think if I get a good price action, I'll probably get it done by Monday. Hopefully, hoping for the best. I'll see. See, it's remaining $250, which I'm really happy about. Yeah, just pray for me, guys. If I pass this account, even though I have a budget to spend every month on evaluation, so it's not like I'm just gonna keep trading the funded account. I'm still gonna invest into the eval and get into another one, probably Lucid one, because I love their plans. Like the consistency rules are really good, and also, on the funded you don't have the buffer thing, so you can have a good amount of money and then withdraw it. So that's a really good thing. So yeah, I will upload the Monday forecasting on Sunday night probably, and my midterms are coming, so I gotta study a little bit. Yeah, I'll try to keep everything in track, and also just want to keep quick update. I also started tracking my trades. Like I'm trying to take the trades mentioning on the forecast only, because that's really, I think that's the only thing really helping me this year, which I started doing, because it keeps me accountable, like to take the trades only I'm posting, not the trades just making up on the session. Like whoever is watching this, I know you guys watch Kimmel also. Kimmel is one of the influencer trader, you guys can say now, but I've been watching this guy for the last 5 years. So his recent videos, like he always mention how forecasting is important to your trading, and it is really, I'm seeing the difference between the trades I've been taking without forecasting and with forecasting. It's a huge difference. That's really changed the game, to be honest. Yeah, and I don't think I have anything to add. I'm gonna go over my last 2 weeks trades and see probably what kind of stupid mistakes I'm doing and try to learn from that. Try to not make the same mistakes again and again. And I, yeah, this is gonna be my breakout year. I'm 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 gonna do something crazy this year. Because it's been long enough, because it is really time to take this shit seriously. Yeah, alright. I'll see you guys on Sunday night with the forecasting for day 16. Yeah, peace.